Evening. So 243. Forget it's a turret press. It's got there's other types. This is just what I'm using. There's 3 set up there that are for 38 special. However, this one here is for the 243, and literally this is what it looks like when you get it out the packet for the first time. So imagine you've just got your brass. It's fire formed. You bought it. It's factory ammo straight out of the box. That's what you call fire formed. That is now shaped, blown out, whatever you want to do. That now fits your chamber. All right. So now, your collet die. Okay, that's just for neck sizing. All right. All you're interested in doing is reshaping back to the factory spec of the shoulder. Right. So remember, when you firing pin hits that there, everything, not just the bullet, that entire case is trying to go down that barrel. All right. It's just the laws of physics. All right. So all you do literally is, I have just put this in just now. Okay, so take that, you screw that in. All right, and all you're doing is literally lower the arm to raise the ram. Okay, and all you're doing is winding that in until it touches. All right, now once it touches, then all you do is raise the arm to lower the ram, and then literally just give it a quarter, or not even that, a 16th of a turn, then lock it up with the ring. All right, what you're doing is you're just wanting a nice positive mating surface. Okay, uniformity, remember, equal pressure, so you're wanting the full face of the shell on the shell holder, and you're wanting to basically just boom, straight in and get the right one. So all that does, as we just demonstrated, okay, all that's done really is there's your case there with your old primer in it. Okay, so it's, remember, it's fire formed, it's to your gun. So if your target's shooting or home loading for one gun and one gun only. Okay, now what I would say, because I'm actually about halfway through just now, is case lube. All right, you do not need to lube cases, okay, if you're neck sizing only. So it's a pointless, futile process. All right, so all you're doing is in, positive action, out, that's you. Yeah, one deprimed, neck sized case. Okay, so I've got 100 to do tonight, 50 in that lot there, and I have got another 50 in that side there. Once we're done with that one, then we go to the process of a tumber. So what I'm going to try and do is just do a little step-by-step guide, as if you just got it out the box. Okay, so that is the first thing. So you will see there, but what I mean is, there's the bottom of the neck sizing die, and you will see that shell holder. You see the whole, see how it just lifts the whole mechanism? All right, and then there's just a ball here to go. That's it. Okay, so yeah, we'll go through once fired brass that's come out of your gun. If you are given brass from somebody else's gun, you will need to full size the whole brass, yeah, because you need to take that back to the spec, and then once it's fire formed to your gun, then you can neck size only. And then all you're doing is each recycle is you're checking for wall thickness at the neck, etc, and you're looking for imperfections, bulges, cracks, splits, any deformation, anything at all. You're making a little mini explosive. Yeah, don't risk it big on. Oh, it'll do all right, one more. If it goes, it catastrophically fails. And the main thing is, for those of you that, if you're shooting targets, all right, you're going to miss the target, or you're going to miss, or your point of impact is not going to be where you're looking. Worst case scenario, if you're deer stalking or doing vermin control, whatever, you risk seriously maiming an animal because you will drop short or whatever, and that is, the point of impact is not going to be where your crosshairs are. All right, and you risk blowing the jaw off or leaving something to suffer, and that's not what this is all about. All right, so catch you later on, guys.